Hi, everyone. This is Erica Kirk, and I just wanted to do a quick video update to show you guys how to use the member portal. It is actually very easy. Before we start this, sign out just so that I can show you all the steps. The member portal is a way for you to sign up for classes, check to see what classes you've taken at the VBR. It also allows you to, input a picture and update your information. So it's a really good tool that I hope everyone's using or starts using after this video. So, all right, let me show you a little bit around. So on VBR.net website, go in and log in, just like you were going into the MLS or anywhere else. Type in your agent ID or your member ID number here and password. So then it will bring you to our member homepage, which is displayed here. If we ever have any sort of updates about what's going on, it's all posted here. We keep this page very fresh and full of information that members need to know about. So then once you're logged in, you see the dashboard here. Most people end up going to the MLS most of the time, but the member portal is right here, so click on that. And it will bring you right into your profile where you can have your picture, your member ID number, your NERDS number if you ever need that. It also pulls up any classes or events that are going on and you're able to register. So it's really nice now. You can add it directly to your calendar and then, sign up just like anywhere else. And it talks about what the classes are all about. So if you hit main, that will bring you back to the main page. And then if you ever have any bills that are outstanding with us, that's where you pay for them here is pay my bill. And then if you want to set up any sort of automatic payments, you can add them in here, which is really nice. So you don't have to worry about sending in payments to the VBR. The other thing is, all the classes are here on the calendar. You can also go in and see what classes you've taken. So view all VBR classes. So you go to class history and click on that. And then you're able to go in and check to see what classes you've taken with the VBR. The only classes that show up are the classes you've taken with us. So it's a really good resource if you're ever, audited and need to find that information. It's all right there. The other thing is there's the NER Realtor store. If you ever want to buy any swag there, this directly brings you in. You can invest to RPEC and the VBR Foundation using these buttons below. And yeah, this is a really great resource that I hope everyone's using. And if you ever need to change, lastly, any of your information or update your picture, you can do that here when you go to change my personal information. But yeah, that's just a really quick overview of the member portal, and hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Thanks.